Roger that. Maintaining course. Watch the gradient on the right.
Incident. The texture here is surprisingly loamy beneath the crust.
Yes, but the salinity levels near marker 3 were high.
Look at this surface. It couldn't be smoother. Excellent work, everyone.
The ratio looks spot on back here. Yeah, the texture is exactly what we wanted.
This batch looks very rich.
It is heavy though. Shake that side out. Look how rich this is. We've managed to retain the moisture perfectly.
The contrast against the sand is incredible. This section is ready for planting next week.
Aquifer confirmed. Good pressure.
Noted. Maintain speed.
Watch the pressure gauge. It's steady at 20. Clear the line. More slurry coming up. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on this side. Torque check complete. Looks good. All right, lower the string slowly.
The level looks good. It's perfectly plumb.
And the depth is exactly 12 meters. Make a note of that.
All right, confirming pipe seated at 12 meters.
Heads up, watch the edge of the flange. Almost clear on this side.
All right, easy now. Pull it left.
Left, got it. Watch the clearance.
Clear on this side. Keep coming down. Okay, move it slightly to the left. Got it. Hitting the torque now. Crossbeam secured on this end. All right, this one looks good. Let's move to the next section over there. Where are they at?
Okay, this side is secure. Good, let's grab the next one. Easy now, bring it down 5 more inches.
Looks aligned. We're secure. You can lift off.
Connected. Secure.
Polarity looks good on this row.
Okay, tighten this one down now. Use the torque wrench.
How many foot-pounds?
75. Make sure it clicks.
The alignment checks out. All systems green.
And the motor connections are secured.
Looks like we have full power stabilization.
Confirmed. The motor is holding steady at idle.
The flow rate is completely stable now.
Incredible output from the solar array. We are ready for the next phase.
pull it straight now.
Okay, keep it coming. Watch the edge.
We place exactly 2 seeds in each pit, ensuring they are precisely 1.5 inches deep for the best germination.
Everything looks correct. Depth is consistent.
Confirmed. The water distribution is perfect.
¿Listo? Arriba. Cuidado con ese. Pesa mucho.
This one weighs a ton, but the rind is perfect.
Yeah. Okay, I'll make a note. How do the ones on the right look?
All right, conveyor's running.
Unlock the left side.
Got it. Stand clear when it opens.
Watch the gap on the belt there.
Got it. Moving the next one now.
This one here is perfectly ripe.
Yeah. How much?
How much for 2 of them? This one sounds good. Heavy too.
Perfect. Let's take it. That's a good one. Nice and ripe.
Thank you. It looks perfect.
Hear that? Sounds like a good one. Oh, what?
It's huge, Dad. Can we cut it now, Dad?
This watermelon is incredibly sweet today.
It really is, Papa. The children are loving it.
This is the best watermelon I've ever had.
Careful, sweetie. You've got juice everywhere.
Daddy, look at mine.
I think we officially won the watermelon eating contest. Yeah.
Yours is definitely messier than mine.
That was the best watermelon. I'm so full now.
Me too. It was perfect.